What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Turn off my autofocus. We're going to go over BTC as well as take a look at the DXY sitting at 26.4, up 1.2 on the day. See market cap 516 billion. One of my subscribers commented yesterday that they didn't hear me say the market cap good enough, so I hope they're happy now. Seeing a 24-hour volume of 12.98 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So we are testing that wave one high. It would be a bullish signal. If we can break it, we do have a bit of a bearish divergence on the 1 hour RSI. If we do end up breaking it, then we can make a push up to that trend line. Which is what I'm waiting for to see if it's broken for me to take a long position. 27.2K. We're starting to get back above the 20 EMA. So if we can break that trend line, get back above the 55, then when we pull back, I'll look to enter my position to ride it back up. Of course, there's a possibility of creating a right shoulder and rolling over. We'll have to see how that plays out. But even if we were to do that, our first take profit would be right up in that area anyways. So would be perfectly okay. The DXY, it's just pushed a little bit higher into our major resistance zone that we've been covering in the videos. So I still think the higher likelihood is we're soon to pull back. And once we see that large pullback for the DXY, that will give Bitcoin the opportunity to break out. Unless the DXY just shoots all the way up to 106, that would be negative for BTC. But there's a good chance we get rejected by this major level of resistance. I'll show it to you one more time. For new members to the channel, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button if you're getting value out of the video. And you can see this massive resistance zone for the DXY, so it's quite possible we get a rejection relatively soon and give Bitcoin the chance to potentially see a breakout. We'll have to see how it plays out. If we fail to break this wave one high, we roll over. That would be negative and could signal we're going to come lower. So we'll see if we can break it. I do think there's a decent chance we break it and we try to come up and test this trend line. We'll have to see how it plays out. Once I look to enter my trade, and for other coins, I will give a signal in the Discord. It's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC and no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Click the link. Sign up and then email me or sign up email for the 14-day free trial. Otherwise, $10 a month, and you receive daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, and Forex signals analysis. We're trading crypto, we're trading Forex for $10, which you spend every day at lunchtime. Or you can grab the 14-day free trial. All links in the comment section down below. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.